Hey everyone, today I'm doing a full review and tutorial of an app that turns your smartphone into webcam and microphone for your PC. I'll show you exactly how it works and how to set it up. First you need to download the desktop app. You can get it from my website, the Microsoft Store or GitHub. You also need the mobile version, which is available on Google Play, the Amazon App Store, Huawei App Gallery and True Store. To make everything work, you'll need to install a virtual cable on your PC. This lets you use your phone as a mic. You also need a virtual camera, so your video feed can be captured with other programs. You can use the OBS virtual camera or get on from the Steam. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Once you've installed everything, restart your computer and launch the app. Here's this interface. You can customize the look and theme. If you want to use the microphone, select the virtual cable here. In apps like Discord, WhatsApp or Zoom, just set your input device to cable output. Here's also a built-in guide and links to our social media, but let's get to the main window. Open the app on your phone and swipe to the very last page. On your computer, click Start Server. The first launch might take a little longer, but it will be much faster after that. Now scan the QR code on your monitor with your phone. You might notice a few different IP addresses listed here. That's because Windows doesn't always pick the primary network address immediately. If one link doesn't work, just try the other. Once you scan the working link, it will open in your mobile browser. If you get a security warning, just ignore it, click Advanced and proceed to the site. Allow the camera and mic permission and boom, you have a picture. Everything is connected and visible on the PC. You can toggle the video preview on turn or off. The app is highly optimized so it doesn't drain your network or PC resources. As you can see, the load practically zero. And the preview is off. If you turn it on, the load goes up slightly, but it's not critical. This feature was made specifically to save your computer's resources. My FPS is a bit low right now because I'm in a dark room. I'm using a Redmi 40S, so the camera hardware plays a big role. But in normal lighting you will easily get 20 FPS or more. Let's go through the settings. You can change the aspect ratio right here on the phone and it updates instantly on the PC. You can also change the resolution. That's an auto quality feature to save your internet bandwidth. If your connection is weak, the app will pixelate the video slightly instead of reason keeping your stream stable. You can also set a minimum resolution limit. We have a bunch of live video effects: contrast, brightness, saturation. Vignette, mirror, sepia. You can see if changes on the PC in real time. Here are also audio processing options and pitch presets for your microphone. You can completely turn off the camera or toggle the mic and off. Just make sure cable output is selected on your PC and he will hear you perfectly. You can also easily swap between the front and rear cameras. When you're done, just stop the server and close the browser page. By the way, you can also connect via USB, plug in your phone, start a server. The address will be localhost. Open that link in your browser and you're good to go. USB connection don't use any Wi-Fi traffic, giving you maximum stability if you're gaming or chatting. But Wi-Fi is obviously great if you don't want to deal with extra wires. And that's pretty much it. Please join our social networks, Discord and Telegram. I really appreciate your support. Subscribe to the channel and drop a like, it helps with promoting the project and build our community. Thanks for watching and see you next time.